Yesu ntabwo yari afite ikibazo gusa cya societe, yahereye hanze kugira ngo agere imbere.
He started from outside for him to enter inside.
Kuko yari azi neza ko imbere ari hazima, hanze hazakunda.
He knew that the inside, if it is healthy, the outside will be well.
Tugomba gutegura ab'imbere.
In the time of building, we have to prepare the inside.
Ab'imbere nibo bazatwara amakuru.
They are the ones who take the news.
Ab'imbere nibo bazavuga ibyo bahishuriwe.
They will talk about their revelations.
Ab'imbere nibo bazavuga ibyo biboneye.
They are the ones who testify about what they've seen.
Ab'imbere nibo bazahamya ibyo babonye muri iyi nzu y'Imana.
They are the ones who testify about what they have seen in the house of God.
Yadasha kumukomanga uti nab'imbere.
Tell your neighbor, it's the people inside.
Nuko uvuye imbere tuzawubona hanze.
The spirit that comes from inside will sit in the outside.
Umubi wose waba hanze, imbere ari muzima bakuraho ikibi cyose. Ab'imbere.
The people inside.
Ariko Petero, Simoni mwene Yona.
Simon the son of Jonas.
Yaratangaye cyane.
He was so amazed.
Simoni mwene Yona.
He said, Simon the son of John.
Ukuntu nkuzi.
The way I know you.
Ntabwo ari inyama n'amaraso.
It's not blood and flesh.
Uyu ni umwuka w'Imana kabisa.
This is the spirit of God truly. This is a revelation.
Ntabwo Imana ishobora kubaka ikintu gikomeye mu buzima bwawe nta revelation.
God cannot build something strong in you without a revelation. And he said, upon that revelation, on that revelation, I will build my church.
Jesus said, I myself, I will build my church.
Yes,
because I have people. I have my people. I have my disciples. I can convince my people. And my sheep knows my voice.
My voice is not heard by a goat, but a sheep. What troubles you if that person cannot understand it? It's a goat. The sheep can hear the voice of the shepherd, even when it is wandering. But when it hears the voice of the shepherd, it comes back. The sheep cannot say, I'm a spiritual baby. Even a baby of a sheep knows the voice of the shepherd, knows the shepherd. Don't deceive me, I'm an apostle, but I was a baby once. I was a baby once. I know how it is. But when I was a baby, I could hear the voice of my shepherd. Jesus Christ. I could hear it. Maybe I may not understand it, but I could hear. The things are going to be understandable. God is going to reveal the sheep. The sheep is not about only Noble Family Church. They are outside there. Because the Bible says outside of this house, outside of this place, there are other sheep that are outside that are going to encounter the voice of the shepherd.